What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video, and today we have the Stylecraft Saber. We're gonna unbox it, see what it's all about. All right, guys, so like I said, today this is the Stylecraft Saber. I just got it in from Gamma Stylecraft. As far as I know, guys, this is similar to the Mythic, the Stylecraft version. It is gold. We're gonna open it up and check it out. I'm not really sure what is different about it. I think it's probably like everything else. There's the Gamma version and the Stylecraft version. Different colors, different lids. So far, my guy Cuts by Coast has opened it up, and he acts like this is lighter than the Mythic. So anyway, guys, you see the Saber, professional modular clipper with digital brushless motor. This thing is supposed to be like the most powerful big dog clipper. I think if you like a master, but you don't like the cordless master, that this is kind of the go-to. The idea behind this is really to give the feel of the master. So anyway, guys, real quick on the back, we got the black diamond blade that is supposed to be cooler. Looks like a fade blade from this picture. High torque, low vibration, digital brushless motor, 7,000 RPMs. You have the stretch bracket that you've seen on the Ergo video. It's gonna come with this as well. 8 double magnetic guards. So far, I've heard those guards are tough. So when we use this, I will try those guards out. I know for YouTube, guys, I use the colored guards so you guys can follow along. But when we're testing this out, I will also test out the double magnetic. 6-hour continuous runtime, and it does come with the dock to charge it on, and it's a heavy duty full metal body. So like I said, guys, really I think this thing is supposed to mimic what people wanted in the Master. A lot of people don't like the cordless Master. I haven't used the Master in years, so I'm not really a good judge of that. But as far as I know from what I've heard, the idea behind this clipper was to give people the Master that it should have been, basically. So I know Gamma and Stylecraft would never try to make a Master, but for people that like that heavy metal body, bigger clipper, this is supposed to be it. So let's open it up, see what's inside. All right, guys, so obviously we have the charging dock that comes with all the different Stylecraft and Gamma clippers. Here's the clipper right here. You can see it's gold. We'll take it out in a second. And it does come with a clear, transparent lid. The bottom is kind of opaque, I think that's the word. You can see through it, but it's not all the way clear. And then the top where the motor is all the way clear, so you guys can see the motor. We'll go ahead and take this bottom piece out, see what's underneath, and then we'll check out the clipper. All right, guys, so of course we have the Gamma screwdriver. Guys, this actually is magnetic and really nice for taking out your screws. Here's the cord for the dock. We have some extra screws. This piece is the piece that goes in the bottom of the blade. I think that gets worn out and kind of makes noise. You can see the stretch bracket is in here as well, and a little clipper brush. And last but not least, guys, we got the double magnetic guards. And you're not gonna be able to see this right here, but maybe you can. The SC is neon yellow green, like the shop colors. I might have to use these. We'll bust them out and check them out, like I said, when we do the review or when we do the haircut, and we'll test these things out as well. All right, guys, so here is the clipper. You can see nice and gold, Saber, shiny. It is pretty heavy. Cool looking little pattern on the back. I don't know if that's for grip. It's not really holes, so it's not for heat. We do have the black fade blade. You guys know I don't really mess with fade blades, but maybe I'll try it out just as is out the box. So anyway, guys, Stylecraft fade blade. This is the Saber. Can't really see it, the light's glaring, but it does say Saber at the top. There you go, can you guys see it there? The lever's kind of cool, guys. It's like the 1919, kind of a big bulky lever. It does have the clicks, power switch down here, charging indicator light. Pretty heavy, guys. I'm gonna go grab his Mythic and compare. He acted like this was lighter. All right, guys, so I got the Mythic and I got the Saber, and this is my left hand. I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed. And right now, this feels heavier, so we'll switch it just to make sure I'm not getting a little boost. I don't know, guys. We maybe have to weigh these to figure it out. They're pretty close to me. I don't really think there's much of a difference. He does have the fusion blade on this Mythic, so if I'm gonna use this, I'm definitely gonna swap out the fade blade. You guys know I don't mess with the fade blade. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get it on the charger. Then we're gonna do a haircut with it, and I'll come back at the end and tell you guys what I think about the Saber. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do 2 different skin fades on 2 different clients to show you guys how these work. And I apologize in advance. I totally forgot to use the double magnetics. It's just habit. Put them on a different spot in my station and was not used to grabbing them. So if you guys stay tuned till the end, I have 2 real quick previews using the double magnetic guards. I had 2 subscribers come for a haircut, and those are my next 2 tutorials. So I don't want to show you too much, but I did use the double magnetics. So you guys just watch these videos, see for yourself how these things cut, and we'll come together at the end and I'll tell you what I think. All right, guys, that's it for the clips with the Stylecraft Saber. I apologize, guys. I kind of lied. I said I had more clips using the double magnetic guards, but guys, I put them on the front of my station. They're magnets, obviously. I stuck them on the front of my station. The station is black. The guards are black. I just kept forgetting to use them. So you guys saw them in use just a little bit, but I hope you got plenty of clips of using the Saber. And guys, I gotta say, this doesn't happen often, but I was totally wrong. When I got the Mythic in, I picked it up. It was super heavy. I really thought, man, I don't think I'm gonna like this clipper. I don't think I'm really gonna use it. My man Cuts by Coast was about to buy one online, so I just did him a favor and blessed him with it and let him use it. He was loving it. I just didn't think it was something that I was gonna like. So when the Saber came in, not gonna lie, guys, I didn't really plan on using it. I said, I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna see how it works. You guys know I keep it real, so man, as you guys can see in the video, the thing cuts super, super crispy. Those blends were smooth. I ended up using it. I started the video on Friday, and I used that thing all day Friday, all day Saturday. I never put it down. I never picked up any other clipper. So guys, I gotta be honest, that clipper is an absolute beast. It is heavy. That's something definitely to get used to. If you guys aren't used to using heavy clippers, if you're like a magic clip guy, this thing is gonna feel super heavy, but it cuts very well, super powerful. And guys, you know I'm totally against fade blades, and I'm gonna keep it real. Maybe the last time I used a fade blade was 3 or 4 years ago. And honestly, I think I just wasn't good enough. Like we talk about, guys, the fade blades are unforgiving. So if you take a lick wrong, you're gonna cut the hair too short. But now, you know, I know what I'm doing a little bit better. I actually was killing it with this fade blade, made it super easy. And overall, guys, the Saber is an absolute beast. I'm actually stoked with it. I wish it wasn't gold because all my stuff is black and green. So I might have my man Clipper Crafters fix it up. So I might have my man Clipper Crafters customize the Saber for me so it matches the rest of my tools. But anyway, guys, I definitely recommend this clipper. If you guys are down with something heavy, it absolutely cuts like a beast. You guys saw the haircuts. There's proof right there. If you guys want to check it out, obviously head over to Gamma's website. I'll put a link in the description down below. And you guys can always get any of these clippers, any of these tools from my homies at Fort Worth Barber Supply as well. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the Stylecraft Saber. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm up at the shop right now recording a ton of videos. I got a ton of tutorials recorded this week. So I have tons of content coming for you guys. And it's some good stuff you guys are gonna be excited about. Both of the tutorials you just saw at the end of this video turned out super dope. So you guys stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys watching this video, and I'll catch you next time.